Okay, now that you've seen what we're going to build, let's dive right in and get the project up and running. Before I start any new Ionic project, I like to make sure that I'm on the latest Ionic CLI, so let's do that first. In the terminal of your choice, enter the command npm install -g for global @ionic/CLI at latest. If you're already on the latest version, nothing will get installed. Next, run the Ionic start command. When asked, select the framework we'll be using. Next, provide the name of the project. I'm calling it Attendance. It's a play on words, I know, and it's horrible. Select the blank template for this one. We'll be implementing a side menu, but I'd rather have us build it from scratch. Besides, this way we'll be deleting a lot less boilerplate code. I won't be working with AppFlow, so I'll enter no to connecting it to my Ionic account. Once the project is created, we can open it in the IDE to have a look around. There isn't much here because we used the blank template. There's really just a homepage. That's okay because we'll build it up pretty quickly. We can also go back into the terminal and fire up a quick Ionic serve command and take a look at how it will render. Here I have Chrome showing me what it might look like running on an iPhone. Again, there isn't much content to speak of, so let's go ahead and take care of that right away.